Within the GIS and data community, we oftentimes talk about storytelling with data and telling a good data story. You've probably heard those terms before. We always joke in Geospatial Connections that if we say that we're going to be doing a storytelling with data sort of thing, that the number of people who show up increases exponentially. But one thing that I'm doing today is I'm working on rewriting resumes for our team for a proposal that we're putting out. And when I work one-on-one with clients in career coaching, right, a thing that we oftentimes talk about is actually like crafting a career narrative and story. So actually using a narrative arc where you have conflict and resolution and showing you as the guide as a way to really help express what you do and what you bring to the table. And so that's something that we do in that one-on-one space. But I just want to encourage, what are the ways that you are using the narrative arc, some of those storytelling things that we think about when it comes to data? How are you actually using that beyond just the data communication side of things? How are you using that as you communicate the value that you and your team bring to the table? I would love to know. We run a workshop on this, that we work with different organizations to help them sort of think through how they can better communicate in a story framework. You don't have to do our workshop. Just begin to think about these things. Think about how can you rewrite your resume, craft a better story about what you bring to the table.